Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do another shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, well, for those of you who have been sticking with me this whole time, today is my 1-year shave video anniversary. And so, guess what? I'm going to duplicate that video because that's what everybody else does. So, let's stick with the tradition. And I'm going to try not to be tongue-tied because I'll put a link below of my first video. And man, was I all over the place. I was fumbling with things and couldn't talk and was in a big hurry. So I've tried to slow it down a little bit and make things enjoyable. And I've learned a lot of things along the way. So today's razor is going to be by Homelike Shaving. And this is the Start Razor. And today I did dial it down and I have the 0.90 plate, and I'm going to be using the Gillette Silver Blue blade. That's my favorite, and for whatever reason on that first video, I was using a blade that I was running through all my favorite razors, and that was not a good blade to be using for my first video. Oh, well, anyway, and the soap for today, I will not be using the Beach because I no longer have that soap. So I'm going to be using Hotel Cecil by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And so you guys can take a look at it. Let me tell you about this scent. Well, before I tell you about the scent, I want to read something on the inside that I saw before, but I never really took the time to read it. And I thought it was kind of funny. So let's do a little enjoyment here. So it says, to get away from the shadowy shapes, guests throw themselves from our fire escapes. Yeah, that's pretty funny. You guys know anything about Hotel Cecil? Not the soap, but the history and the story behind it. It's not really funny, but it's kind of funny. But anyway, let's get back to the scent profile. And I will have a little picture right here of everything that Douglas says is in there. I need to take another whiff of this, and I can probably give you, or at least what my nose is picking up. Oh yeah, it's warm. It's kind of masculine. Picking up some vanilla, sandalwood, tonka bean. Got to do the mouth open on there too. And some talc. The talc's not real heavy because I'm not really a big powdery fan, but you know, it's in there. You can smell it, but like I said, it's not real heavy. And I have this already whipped up. And no, it's not in my Captain's Choice bowl. It's in my PAA Scuttle that my wife got me for Christmas. And man, this thing is a doozy. I know that you can't really tell, but that thing's a beast. And I'm using my Omega Boar brush that I love to use, and this was also in my first video. I will be using the PAA Cube, and this one does have the menthol in it. I find that using the Cube or some pre-shave helps out. I know a lot of soaps don't really need the help, especially the CK6 or the CK1, but I'm a creature of habit, and I feel like it helps. And is there a way to determine, does it really help? No, because there's too many human influences in trying to do a test. Let me go ahead and work that in a little bit. I just got out of the shower and my face is pretty hydrated. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we've been doing a little bit of changing here, remodeling in the bathroom. And I don't know if you can tell behind me, but the walls used to be a cream color, and now it's white, and it definitely brightens the bathroom up. We went through and changed the vanity out on my wife's side, along with a nice big beautiful mirror. And on my side, it's pretty much the same. So I did take everything off on my side to paint, and I didn't realize how many brushes I had sitting back there on the shelf. And whoever originally put this nice wooden door with the oak trim, why didn't they keep the color scheme the same? Because I don't like this black door, or it's really dark chocolate. I'm gonna have to change that somehow. So stay tuned for more shave den updates. All right, enough chitter chatter about the shave den. Let's go ahead and warm up the razor, and here we go. Oh, yes, I love this razor. I think I love every razor I have. Now, there's a few that are not quite my favorites, but there are those that stand out in my collection. In this particular razor, they did come out with a Start 2. And I was looking at it just to see what some of the differences were. And I told myself, well, I'm so happy with the razor I have, why get another one? So, I'm sticking to my guns and just staying in love with this one. I did have 2 days worth of growth, and I could tell you that I could feel that it was time for a shave. And I do apologize for getting this video out late. I got kind of busy and the day snuck right on by. And wow, what a shave. Let me take some of this goodness here and spread it around. I will say the CK6 formula is exceptionally slick, and it does provide some nice lather and glide. I did use a 1/4 teaspoon and 14 milliliters of water. And we're going to take a look here at what kind of lather I created. Of course, I can't get what's in the bowl, but let's just take here what's in the brush. Let's set that brush down here. Take a look at the, oh yeah, look at that. Nice. If I remember right, last year it was very cold and dry, and we had snow on the ground, and that's why I had chose the beach. This year, it's actually pretty warm out. You could go out, I say warm for this time of the year, it's around 55 degrees. And so, when it comes to wintertime, that is very warm. Now, if it was summertime and it starts dipping into the 70s, I say, hey, it's getting cold outside. You know how that is. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you live in Hawaii and you don't have to experience any of the nasty weather. Or maybe you live in Greenland and you have cold weather all the time. I'm not a big cold weather fan. And I don't think that'll ever grow on me. Wow, what a shave. All right, I went ahead with a cold washcloth and cleaned up. And now I'm using the ice cube, which I call it the ice cube, but some people may get that confused with PAA's ice cube. Got the old Lancaster black sheep towel. And maybe I should start calling this the whiskey cube, because I do like those large ice cubes with a little bit of whiskey. I do have the matching aftershave splash, and I love the ones with the glass restrictor. Oh yes. Beautiful. Oh, that's nice. And no shave is complete without the Star Jelly. Well, I will have a picture right here of everything that I used today. And I want to say thank you to everyone that has supported my channel by watching and commenting and liking. Without you, I would not have continued down this journey of shaving my shave experiences. Did I say shaving my shave experiences? I wouldn't continue my journey of sharing my shave experiences with you. And I really do appreciate it. So if you haven't already subscribed, consider doing that today. I will see you on Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week. I'm rehearsing now. It's very warm scent. I'm definitely picking up a vanilla scent, some sandalwood. The old tonka beans and some talc. I can't do that.